Good morning, guys.
Good morning. So we are now off to get some lunch. We're going to DIFC, which is Dubai International Financial Centre, which means that we get a rough idea. It's like the Canary Wharf of Dubai. All the commercial sort of businesses, etc. It's their city, let's say. And we just want to tour around there to see what it's like to work and live in Dubai.
Food places there.
Hopefully it's going to be something delicious.
So we're in the car park now.
Just pumpkin, Gaucho'S. Hi.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. Can't wait to have the steak with the chimichurri.
Yeah, guys, just so you guys know, the only time we have steak is when we have it with chimichurri. We like it the Argentinian way.
Oh,
do we not?
Oh yeah. RJ has this restaurant all booked for us.
So exclusive, and we hire out the whole venue. Show them how I've hired out the whole venue for you.
Oh yeah. Only for who? Ah!
Just kidding, guys. We're just early.
Kidding.
But anyway, it's nice to know we've got a place to ourselves.
Cheers, guys. Oh,
That's the burrata tostada,
Oh, nice.
oh, that's looking lovely.
the shrimp chicharron,
Oh, yeah, nice.
watermelon salad, yeah,
Excellent.
2 beef empanadas.
Oh, lovely.
Excellent, thank you.
So RJ, what do we have here?
Okay, so prawns chicharron,
Oh yeah.
tacos. I can't remember what the flavouring was.
Can't wait.
Here we got the melon and avocado salad. We've got the lovely empanadas filled with beef and onion.
Beef and
Salad. And oh, this is only tasters.
oh, and it's with avocado as well. Oh yes.
Finger.
What was it?
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Try to get
Taco
a
time. You can't enjoy a good taco without making a mess, RJ. So don't worry about it. Enjoy.
Got a lot of olive oil on it, but yet it's still so crispy and crunchy. But you've got a bit of the crumbly cheese with the avocado.
Okay, are we going in with the empanadas now?
Yeah.
Oh yes.
Argentinian chili. I'm gonna mix the chimichurri with the chili. It's unbelievable. You can see I've mixed the chimichurri with the chili. It's amazing. Now you can't have the steak and empanadas without this. So lift it in, tuck it in.
Oh yeah.
Now you see them flavors. Now.
In it goes. Is that good?
Oh yeah. But one thing I want to do before any of this is I want to get one of these prawns. And by the way, if you watched our video in PF Chang's, we have the dynamite prawns. This is just like a smaller version of a similar taste.
Are you going in with the chili sauce and the chimichurri?
Chili chimichurri.
Oh yes, that's packed with
So imagine
flavour,
the
guys.
dynamite prawns with the chimichurri and chili.
Oh, RJ, how is that?
Better than the dynamite prawns.
Is it? Is it really?
Get a bit of chimichurri on top. And then, as you can see, we're going to drizzle that chili on there as well. You need the chili on there.
This can go everywhere. Be careful, RJ.
Be careful.
I'm telling you to be careful.
The mozzarella and tomato works so well on the taco.
Oh, just the smell of this, guys. Some fresh cheese. And pepper. Oh, RJ, this is so good.
Those of you who generally have mozzarella and tomato, taste it on top of a taco. It's completely different. I've never thought of that.
How much I love good old prawns. you.
Thank you. In Dubai, the melons and pomegranate are super sweet.
If you come to Gaucho in Dubai, you have to ask for this chili sauce.
With chimichurri.
With chimichurri. You've got to mix it in together. Oh, so good.
A little salt and pepper in there.
So our steaks here, guys.
I always have a bit more salt in my steak, on my steak. So I've got medium rare and well done. We only eat ribeye, and that is because it's more tender, more fatty, more juicy, and for us more flavoursome.
Oh yeah.
Nice medium, and when it's soft like this, it's easy. Oh my god.
How is that? Is it good, RJ?
It melts in your mouth. Watch how easy you cut it. Just cut straight through. That's the best thing about ribeye. Now Gaucho steaks are really good anyway.
How is that, RJ? I feel like I can feel that right
My
now.
teeth just go straight through.
Oh yes. That's how you want a good old steak, isn't it, RJ? I think we need another bite from you. Another juicy, yummy bite.
Alright, look how easily it cuts through. This is not a steak knife. As you can see, standard knife. Cuts straight through.
Straight through.
Yeah? That's what I love about Gaucho. I'm gonna take a bit of fat.
RJ loves the fat,
Ooh,
guys.
look at that, how
Ooh,
fresh
jelly,
the fat is.
The jelly. We
Just
have
show them.
literally finished this chimichurri, guys.
We're gonna have to get some more.
Literally finished.
Okay, get a touch of this. Drizzle it all over. Look guys, this is how you eat steak, and watch it all go in, and just watch how it melts and dissolves in my mouth. Oh my god.
So?
Within a matter of not even minutes, your mouth's empty.
Oh yeah. You can see RJ's just digging into my one right now.
I want to see what well done tastes like here, because I normally have medium. Oh my god, I can't believe that.
Is it good?
Guys,
Is it good? You can have some more of mine if you want.
even the well done,
all of it.
even well done just dissolves. You see how they have the lovely herbs in the fries. Just want to make sure we get all of that. Guys, shall I tell you something? The one thing I love about Gaucho is you can always guarantee the steak's gonna be perfect.
That is just delicious. Packed with flavour. It's just delicious. And that chimichurri and the hot sauce just goes so well with it.
As I said, I can't do sirloin or any of the other cuts. I have to have ribeye. That's my favourite.
Which one do I like again?
No, you like ribeye as
Ribeye as
well.
well. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Ooh. Nice macaroni on that. That's the chimichurri. Look at that juicy steak. Just look at the topping. Look at all them flavours on the topping. Oh, look at the herbs on the fries. Oh, look at the flavours. That's a well done.
Let me house the ribeye.
Absolutely
Perfect.
delicious.
Beautiful.
So delicious. Thank you so much.
Guys, can you believe it? The aged steak is so succulent and so tender. I'm not even using a steak knife, a normal dinner knife.
Dessert time, guys. Dessert time.
Cheesecake. I can't remember what flavour. Can't remember what that is. Apple something. And I can't remember what that is. It's a brownie.
Oh,
Chocolate
I can't wait to
brownie.
get in there.
Ooh, the
Crunchy that is.
oh,
Oh, yeah.
that is. Is that like an
And I
apple
am
pie or
into my
something?
apples right now.
Is that nice? What is it?
It's like this light pastry with cinnamon and sugar. Oh, it's so delicious. It's a little bit. It tastes a little bit like, you know how churros taste.
Sorry guys, we can't speak too loud.
Nice and fresh. I'm going in with the cheesecake. So delicious. It's got this caramel taste to it. Oh, it's delicious.
Look at my chocolate in that
guys.
brownie.
It's just, you know, that cream is delicious. ones I've ever had in my life.
Serious? Okay, I'm gonna have to tuck in, guys. See you guys in a bit. I'm gonna have to tuck in now.
Guys, so we're not happy with our individual plates? No. We're gonna share the love. We're gonna eat from one plate.
This looks a bit like, yeah.
It's like an apple pie kind of flavour, but I think it's better than apple pie because apple pie, I don't like the bits inside the apple pie. Isn't that delicious? Taste it with this.
Guys, that is tastier.
So, no, here. You've got the sauce here. I'm not going to
So popped it in that one. It's like a custard cream.
So delicious. Isn't that good? And it's so nice and crispy on the outside, soft and hot on the inside, guys.
Let's try the cheesecake.
Caramel.
Oh, caramel cheesecake.
I think the selection of desserts is great, isn't it? I think everything, to be honest, is really good here.
Caramel worked the best for me.
I think the brownie worked the best for me, and the cheesecake and apple for the same. I don't really think
Great. Carry on. We enjoyed our meal here today. We will be coming back. Okay guys, so there's been a bit of a sandstorm in Dubai. As you can see here, there's still a bit of sand. You can feel it in the air. If you're wondering why I'm wearing a jacket, it's a very light one, but I am wearing it because I've been traveling quite a bit for this last month to a few different countries, and I'm just a bit run down, and with the AC etc, I thought it's better if I just keep a jacket on. It's not massively hot in Dubai anyway, it's not cold, but I can get away with wearing a jacket, so I'm just wearing that for now. So guys, we're in the DIFC area now, and basically this is where all your bankers etc are. It's the Dubai International Financial Centre. And basically, in other words, it's like the city, it's the Canary Wharf of Dubai. But it's nice because, as you can see, it's all the big tower building. You've got to basically walk around. It's a nice place. We've just been to Gaucho here and had a great lunch.
Thank you to all the teams.
Yeah,
guys.
Thank you guys.
Really looked after us.
Yeah,
Thank you very much.
it was great. The food was amazing.
We're just stuffed right now. So much.
And now we're going to go on our usual treks. We thought we'd just give you a little insight on what this DIFC area looks like. I believe behind me is what they call the Twin Towers. Yeah, a bit quiet now. I believe everyone's, you know, inside working. We've passed lunchtime now, so they've probably all gone back in. So yes guys, we're just going to take the lift now and let's go down. Let's go back to the hotel.
Isn't this so cool, guys? You come out on the street.
There you go, look.
The lift.
We come out of the lift and we're back on the street, and now we're going to take our taxi.
Convenient.
Very convenient.